No, he's not gonna go for it. See, oh, he did chase it all the way in, boys. Oh, that's a nice fish. There you go, boys. Flipper in the boat. Fucking. You just come up and crush that?
Yeah. I think I might have snagged him.
I think you did. I think you foul hooked this guy.
He ain't coming in very good.
He's coming in sideways.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, you belly hooked him.
I belly hooked him.
How the hell did you belly hook that guy? He must have went up and smacked it and then took off running. Oh, poor dude.
It hurts, don't it? What are you doing upside down there, Jordan?
There he is. Well, there's the first one of the day.
How warm that is, dude.
Oh, wow.
Freaking warm, dude.
That fish is 80 degrees.
Holy shit.
All right. 1 for 1. Smith. Oh, that sun's going to be good. Good for the camera. Look, they got some critters walking around, too. The water's getting low. You notice?
Oh, Mills.
Smith? Oh, no. Give her there you go. Easy dangle. She'll come out of there. I'm going to go across you.
Go ahead.
Oh, I got to take it easy. No, we didn't foul hook this guy, but I am going to ski him in there, though. Oh, come here, donkey. Actually, that's not a bad fish. It's a little bit bigger. But, oh, Smith. Oh. All right, well, there's the first fish of the day. I have to get the old pliers out here, ladies and gentlemen. All right.
Nice fish.
Well, he's got a big head on him, don't he? They got big heads on them, but just nothing for bodies. They got no bait fish in here. That's not a bad little fish. We'll get him out there. You ready? See you later, buddy.
Hey, welcome back.
So I'm guessing that's $8 I won't get back. So you did the old, we're gonna give her a wing ding over here and it went left, hard. And I'm guessing that's sitting up in those reeds somewhere. So the kayak is right there. You wanna go grab the kayak and see if you can retrieve that one? Take that as a no. No, okay.
I'll just give you $12 later.
Yeah, well. Is that the black one? That was a number 1 or number 2? Because the number 2 is the big one. Great, cool. Well, boys, had to go retrieve my Whoper Plopper and had to do it in a boat. And I got another one I've got to go pick up. My son didn't mean to, but he tossed into the reeds. So I figure, what the hell, I'm already in the boat. I'll just give her a dangle out here. So let's see how this goes. I can't say as I've fished in a boat in a long time. So this might be interesting. We'll see how it goes. You got yourself a Sally or what? You hooking into carp over there, Junior? A bass, a moss bass? Moss bass, the best kind of bass. Oh. There's another big hit. That was crazy. So now that we're spun around 180 degrees, but you got yourself another one? Smith's over there crushing it. So we're gonna, we gotta get turned. We're gonna end up in the reeds. I don't wanna go to the reeds. There we go. So anyway, I'm gonna go and get a little closer to where these guys are at. I don't wanna get too close. But this is a little, just a little dinghy boat, a little John boat. And this would be great with a little trolling motor. Throw it in the back of your car or back of your pickup with a trolling motor and just go. Probably my biggest thing is I don't have a lot of control with my rod yet, but we'll keep giving it a dangle out here. It's nice to be able to get somewhere when most of the time you can't. All right, we've got all the lures are rescued. I figured, why not? I'm just gonna sit out here in the boat. Oh, that was a big hit. That was a big hit. Surprised that one didn't take it. See if he takes it again. Probably not. No, he's not gonna go for it. See, oh, he did chase it all the way in, boys. Oh, that's a nice fish. There you go, boys. Flipper in the boat. Oh, in the boat, in the boat, in the boat. Oh, yes, sir. Another bass. Oh, yeah. Okay, all right. We're gonna let him do whatever he wants to do. He's just gonna flip and flop and make things worse. There it is. That's my first. Not gonna lie, I think that's my first boat fish ever. Let's see if we can get him undone. Now he's got himself hooked 6 different directions. Wow. All right, well, we'll get this one undone and we'll be back with you in a minute, send him back. All right, well, there's the first boat fish. So there we go, that's not a bad fish, we'll let him go. All right, see you later, buddy. Off he goes. That wasn't bad, that was a fun fish. He followed that all the way in, so let's take another look here, see how it goes. We're really low in this little boat, but you know what, it's fun. See if they clap that again. He followed it all the way to the boat too, that was good. Kind of drifting towards the reeds over here. I don't know why, no reason. See if I can get my sea legs on me. Early morning top water. All right, that's a little guy. Hit it just the way you're supposed to and probably gonna hook me, I'm sure. Oh, maybe not. No, he's gonna behave. All right, we'll get this guy undone. The old Whoper Plopper's got some sharp hooks on it. So if you guys are picking up Whoper Ploppers for bass, look at that guy. That guy. Let me see if I can even lip him. Oh yeah, I can. That's just a little guy. There you go. That's a fish is a fish though. He come up and smack that. I'm surprised he hit it. I mean, that's a small guy for the size of that Whoper Plopper. Oh, as soon as it hit the water, boys. Oh, that's a decent fish. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, no. Oh, he come loose. He shook it one too many times. Oh, man, as soon as it hit the water, too. That's nuts. That's a good fish. Dang it. Try again. Oh, there it is again. Good Lord. Oh, that's a nice fish. I think we got him double hooked, too. He ain't coming loose. In the boat. In the boat. In the boat. In the boat. And, oh, no, you're going to have to calm down, sir. Sir. I'm going to have to ask you to calm down. Sir, I'm going to have to ask you to calm down a little bit. Let's just take it easy. Take it easy. Jeez. All right. I get him calmed down, at least. These fish are not messing around. They're right on the edge of these reeds. All right, there's another little skinny little bass. That's pretty though, pretty bass. We're gonna send him back. Send him back. All right, off you go, buddy. Back to where you were. All right, we're gonna move away from the reeds a little bit here. A little bit further out. Well, a trolling motor would be pretty fantastic right about now. All right, we're gonna go back in there. Get back into those reeds a couple more times, and then we're gonna take her back to the bank. So this, what we've been fishing this pond for years, and what we've always wanted to do is actually get out here on a boat and see what will actually come off the banks. And the fact that we're getting a chance to do that today is pretty awesome. Let's see if we can get anything out here deep. Sorry if you guys end up blind. It's not what I mean to do. Oh, sitting right on top of a nice weed bed. Oh, you guys see that weed bed or not? They're just high. The weeds are just high. High. Water's so calm this morning. I get calm water, top water is just where it's at first thing in the morning. Just trying to get up there, get these fish just as far as they can. That was a smack as soon as I hit the water. And run a spinnerbait in here, but you probably get snagged up a lot with a lot of these high weeds. Keep that rod tip up nice and high. Oh boy, that was almost bad. Smacked the side of the boat with my Whoper Plopper. These fish are really aggressive, surprisingly. I'm gonna slow roll this one. There we go, boys. There's another angry fish. Oh, it's a little bit better. There's a good two pounder for sure. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a nice fish. Had to get him, pull him out of the reeds. He didn't want to come. There we go. It's not a bad fish at all, actually. Don't be doing that. You don't need to get nasty about it. We'll get you unhooked. You just got to stay calm. Right in the corner of the mouth, right where it belongs. There it is. It's not a bad little fish. 1.5 pound, 2 pounder. It's a good fish. We'll let him go. See you later, buddy. Now he's pulled me back towards the reeds. I gotta back away from the reeds. Keep giving her a dangle. That was not a bad fish, and he came up and smacked that. He followed it all the way in. So we'll try again. Pretty good fish, actually, surprisingly. Good fish. Get down to this boat with all these reeds. I mean, this thing is completely encompassed with reeds. You know, it's really opened up a lot of area to fish in this little boat. Also, if you guys haven't had the opportunity to subscribe to see more content like this, just go down there, bottom right side of the screen, give it a like, give it a subscribe. We appreciate all of that. Also got new merch dropping. Shirts are available now. Thinking about doing a giveaway here in a few weeks of the first shirt out there. You can find the description or the link in the description and below. Oh boy, that's a nice hit. There we go, boys. That's a good fish. Oh boy, that's a good fish. And keep my balance in this boat here. I'm a little excited. I buried himself in the weeds. Look at him go. Just buried himself. We're gonna pull ourselves all the way to him and get him out of there. Oh, come on, buddy. Don't be a moss fish. Oh yeah, he stuck himself right in the weeds. Woo. Come here, bud. You're not that big to be pulling yourself into the weeds like that. Goodness gracious, look at you. You're covered in. Look like you got a beard. Look at this fish. He's got long hair and a beard. Goodness gracious. Okay, now you can get excited. You're almost free. Flip a couple more times like that and you got her done. Oh, nope, nope, nope. Definitely not. We're gonna hook you in the mouth. And then we'll get you undone. You got yourself all messed up here, buddy. Well, there's another little fish. He's aggressive. Hey, buddy, how are you? Look good. That'll heal up okay. You'll be all right. There you go. So anyway, back to what I was saying. That's a good, these are fun fish. Fun fish. Like I was saying, link in the description below for the t-shirts. Go check out the merch. All the support that you guys have been giving, I really do appreciate it. It's been a lot of fun. We're gonna keep doing this. So hope you guys are enjoying this stuff. If you are, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Don't forget, the more you guys can subscribe and share and give that like button, the more that I see that you guys are actually enjoying this stuff, and I can do this more often. But how's it going?
Just said it. Knowing my luck, I'll say that and I'll find one. Look
Today at all?